Hello all bird lovers, here are 10 things you haven't thought that might kill your bird. I'm not going to share obvious things with you like avocado or chocolate, so definitely stay tuned. The first danger comes from cheap steel iron and lead toys for getting from a store or ordering online. The issue about those toys is that they can cause lead poisoning, meaning having a sick and dying bird. Best alternative is to buy wood, plastic, yarn, and natural strawberry toys. Next danger would be to cook food near your bird. Most cookers add Teflon or aluminum layers that bring out toxic fumes into the entire house. Your bird can simply die from inhaling these toxic fumes, like this poor lady's cricket that simply died after she cooked near them. Just like cooking around your bird isn't safe, never leave a scented candle, air fresheners, or perfume near your bird. You have no idea how dangerous that is for them. They are super sensitive to smell and can smell all the way from the other side of house. We all have plants in our houses. It's okay to have them as long as they are not reachable for your bird. Many leaves are toxic. Pay attention so that you won't use on any of them as it might kill them. Warm summer days are difficult to bear for us humans, but budgies are extremely sensitive to cold drafts. They can easily become ill and get a deadly cold. Always cover their cage partially while the AC is on and make sure they're not puffed. That will alarm you that they're cold. Sun, just like the cold, can also be deadly for them. Never leave their cage near a sunny window with no shade for them to go to. It can cause terrible dehydration issues and also overheating. We've all heard the recommendation to have natural wood purchase for our bird's nails, right? But here's another reason why you must have natural wood purchase. Bumblefoot. Bumblefoot is a deadly condition that can cause serious bacteria infection. It can be very difficult to treat. Never of plastic or sandpaper purchase in your bird's cage. While your bird is exploring the outside of your cage, they might come across dusty places. You might think, well, what's wrong about that? But dust can actually cause some serious respiratory diseases along with trachlear infections, so make sure to clean their favorite dusty spots across your room. Tap water can shorten your budgie's lifespan drastically. Most places on Earth don't have clean tap waters. Rust, bacteria, chlorine, and other heavy metals is what your budgies would consume from tap waters. Last but not least are radiation sources near your purse, which can cause cancer. I know it's almost unavoidable. We all use computers and phones on a daily basis, but we can still reduce the amount of exposure to radiation by not getting too close to our parents with our phones and turning off electricity all over the room at night, which is also very healthy and beneficial for our own sleep. That's it for today. Let me know what tips you guys have in the comments below. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.